That's cool, ain't no though.
Content.
Hey, pop the hood.
We're live.
Oh, a 2 Jay-Z?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the superchargers right here. You feel me? And this V4.
Tell them what you gotta say, man. Tell them what you gotta say.
I got like 900 horsepower in that bitch.
That bitch on there, boy. What the fuck? That bitch don't beat my ass. Hold up.
What is that?
That fucking...
Where that go? Is that that's the turbo oil?
That's the torque converter, bro.
That's the turbo oil. That's your alternator. For y'all dumb niggas that don't know nothing,
Bro,
that's your alternator.
Bro, this cap is beating my ass.
Nah.
I swear to God, bro. Try to...
So let me see what oil you got, bro. You got the royal purple oil, huh?
Bro, try to open that shit. That shit on there stiff. Yeah, boy. See,
Motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Alright.
Hey, bitch. You better get loose, nigga.
No vale verga. No vale verga.
Se le afloja acá arriba. Mira, se le afloja acá arriba. Se va a aflojar de acá abajo. No, for real, it might release pressure.
You watch. One of those.
That bitch ain't release shit.
No, hombre, ya valió.
I gotta buy some pliers now. Is that what the fuck you telling me?
Nah, hell no. Mike.
Tell me you dumbass.
Mike, how the fuck we letting this fucking oil engine?
Hey, that shit
I just now changed oil in the fucking white car.
Alright, your turn.
Get
up in there.
He fucking laughing at us. Hell no, we want to see him do that shit.
No mames, güey. No mames, güey. I'm tres la verga, güey.
Mira, con un café en la mano, güey.
A ver.
Oh.
A ver, chiquita.
Juro. No, that shit.
A ver. ¡Ah! Nos ganó.
Nah, he know the trick.
Pinche viejo meco.
Nah, he know the trick. You see that? He know the trick.
Dan, take over. God damn.
He know the trick. We ain't fucking hardcore.
Yes, sir.
Eye owners.
This is my first time buying a cat eye.
So you drove this truck all the way from Chicago with no oil, sir?
And no license, no place, no none of that shit. And we still good, you feel me?
Pasa nada, loco.
Let's see.
We about to lose again. We about to bust that bitch.
We out here in the country.
In the country.
We out here in the countryside.
We in the country of a motherfucker town.
We're out here, Winterset, Iowa, bud.
Getting kind of chilly out here.
We are in
We got a nice
we are in buttfuck Indianola.
we got a nice Impala over there.
You wanna do it, bro? You wanna do the honest?
Do it.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro. Bro, I never put oil in the car before,
Like
bro.
you nutted.
You're lying.
Like you
I'm
nutted.
just kidding, bro. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh shit. No se hace oil change, nomás se le echa el oil, bro.
That's for stalling.
What you talking about, boy? You do an oil change.
Where's the oil
Fucking
filter?
fight,
Where's the oil filter, man?
Look.
I ain't have enough for that. I just
Look,
paid
if
for
y'all
this
give
bitch.
if y'all give
You
us more
trying
views,
to give me for an oil filter?
Hey,
Nah,
You my dad. You my dad.
I'm editing that shit out. Chill out,
nah,
man.
tell them if they give us more views, we'll change the oil filter.
If we hit 1,000 views on this bitch, Jose will be doing an oil filter with $10. But fuck it, you know, anything happen.
Say
There's gonna be
less.
one from the junkyard.
Say less,
Hell
man.
no, we need 1,000 subscribers.
1K.
Wait a minute.
1K.
¡Ah! Ya casi se salió el jugo.
Uy.
Hey, wait. How many subscribers do you have?
Should we put the whole thing in that motherfucker?
Hold up, man. I think I got Hold up, man. I think
subscribers?
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to my fucking cuñado, dog.
Subscribe to this fucking YouTube channel. I know you watching this, nigga.
We trying to get monetized.
Hold on,
ho.
you gotta edit that out.
Nah, bro.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
just
you
leaving
gotta
it.
edit.
Say whatever we want, boy.
My day long.
Hey, you previous cat eye owner, how the fuck you do this shit, dog?
You
push.
You
You
twist
push
it
down.
and push. Nice. That's some spit on there.
Yeah, do it. Show that little nigga how it's done.
You got it. You got it there, buddy. You got it there, buddy. Keep doing it.
Come on, bro. Stop being a fucking dickhead, dog.
Fine.
Trying to embarrass me on the video.
Nah, man.
Hey, my fault. I ain't never owed a cat.
Hey, yo.
Hey, hold up.
Hey, you got something to do.
Hold on.
What cat did you buy?
Who took off the engine cooler at, boy? That's what the fuck. Hey, who took off the engine cooler? I
This nigga trying to fry my motherfucking block.
Hell no. Somebody had to take that out.
I'm fucking dead.
Roll the footage.
He said, hold on.
Hey, roll the footage. Watch me run down.
I'm fucking dead, boy.
Fuck it, let's put some in there too.
Post it up,
Hell no, we putting water in that
Really?
whole fucking look like.
That was the dumbest shit I've ever seen.
Hold on, wait, hold on.
He said, hold up, we'll put that shit there. He did that shit. Shit. You hear that knock, boy?
That's a dumbass knocking on the fucking.
We back in here.
You gotta do it. JOP version, bro. Subscribe.
He definitely don't got cut spring.
Nick Augie 4.6, a 6.11 drop.
Oh my god. Here's my buddy. He's my friend, man.
Nigga, yo, cuñado, nigga. Oh, hold up. For the YouTube, he's single. That's my buddy.
Wait a minute.
He did call me his buddy. I ain't say it. He said it. He called me his buddy.
I've never witnessed. What the fuck is going on here?
Hey, motherfuckers don't know how to drive in Iowa.
That's gas scratch.
Hey.
This gotta come off too.
I see some motherfuckers.
You need to buy a grippier one. You know what? We can walk one. That way, one like we did with the front of it.
I see a motherfucking GMC Envoy, boy. I see a motherfucking GMC Envoy, boy. Woo! Woo! Hey, yo, Dunkin' Donuts, you gotta sponsor me, no cap.
We get his free sponsor.
Oh, shit.
They got his 4x4.
This bitch is not 4x4.
Ricky Bobby first place. No music because we will get copyrighted.
Oh, shit. Oh, that ain't 12, man. You get her done, boy.
Who the fuck are you, biscuit?
Oh my god. Nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo. Fuck. This shit got power, bro. Holy shit.
They get my little pussy wet. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro.
I don't know what you're saying there, but oh.
You was supposed to let out, kid.
Why you so calm, bro?
Content.
Why you so calm?
I don't scare you, see leading cars.
I see what you saying, man.
Content.
Are you?
Hey, my turning signal works out because I got all you. Feel me?
Hey, my man's got oil in this shit. Also fixed his fucking light.
Watch out with that, boy. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my god. Is that the turbo I heard?
That's the motherfucking 4.5.
Pick up that. Say we don't like that. We gonna make it. Take it off. Put the stock one on it. That's content. Change to the trust of content, bro.
Hold up.
Hold up. See, look. HD hood. They say the Monarchs hood. Mira el papá.
The granddaddy of them all.
Granddaddy. Hey yo, boy, don't think about it, boy. Don't even think about it.
Don't you dare fucking
The
throw
crowd
it
gonna
in
have to
there,
pay for
man.
it, bro.
Don't you dare throw that man.
That shit bad though, bro. Damn. Hold up, thumbnail. Hold up, stand next to it, man. ¿Quién es ese güey? Thumbnail, boy.
Hey, why'd I do it right on the thumbnail? I'm bogus as hell.
Where you work at? Hold up. Where you work at? Give him a shout out.
Vice Construction. Shout out my boy Jake.
Jake. Hey, pull up your pants, bro.
I'm recording my ass now, bro. Now you gotta get a snowball, bro. Now you gotta get it. Hey. She's fired.
Friendly. Hey, as you can see, this shit got no rust. No type of rust. So, fuck you.
Christ, what the fuck is going on here?
Don't tell me this boy finna do it here. I hate it. I didn't do that. Yo. Hey, we lost him, boys. We lost him. Officer. I ain't do that shit, man. I ain't do that shit, man. Dumb, man. Where the fuck are we at, man? Where the fuck we at, man?